Today, we're diving into a topic that sparked curiosity for ages: how to make him obsessed. But with a twist, it's all about you. So get comfortable, grab your favorite drink, and let's talk about unleashing your magnetic energy. First, let's set the record straight. Have you ever noticed how some people, like Jennifer Check from Jennifer's Body, seem to command attention effortlessly? While she had that captivating energy, it's important to understand that much of her confidence was built on what others thought of her. And sure, that worked for a while, but it's not sustainable. You deserve more than just momentary glances. You deserve genuine admiration that starts from within. So who is that bold, fearless version of you who walks into a room and turns heads because of the powerful energy she carries, not just her looks? Here's a question only you can answer. When was the last time you were genuinely impressed by yourself? You see, to make him obsessed, you have to be your own biggest fan first. Jennifer knew how to play up her strengths, but she was caught in a cycle of external validation. Instead, I want you to thrive on an inner sense of power. This goes beyond looking in the mirror and liking what you see. It's about nurturing yourself mentally, emotionally, and physically. Whether it's picking up a new skill, indulging in self-care, or diving into hobbies that light you up, do it with genuine passion. Trust me, when you value yourself deeply, others can't help but reflect that admiration. Let's talk about confidence, the kind that isn't loud but speaks volumes. It's the way you carry yourself, the moments when you look at your reflection and know you're enough. It's subtle, a smile that says, "I know who I am." A steady gaze that holds for a beat longer, a quiet mystery. And here's the kicker. Don't feel the need to put everything on display. The most intriguing people are those who keep a bit of themselves under wraps. So, take a note from Jennifer's playbook, but don't stop there. Go deeper. Now, let's shift gears to manifesting your desires. Picture your most magnetic self, the version of you who draws people in without trying, who knows she's worth it even when no one's watching. What does she look like? How does she move? How does she speak? The more you visualize this, the more you'll start to embody those traits naturally. It's true, what you focus on expands. So focus on becoming your best self and watch how he and everyone else takes notice. Remember how Jennifer always looked flawless? That wasn't just luck. She prioritized herself. But here's the truth. While she played the part well, her power was skin deep and hinged on others' attention. You don't need that. Invest in yourself in a way that uplifts your spirit. Whether it's wearing that outfit that makes you feel unstoppable, sticking to a fitness routine that energizes you, or diving into learning that excites you. When you make your well-being a priority, you naturally exude a power that's irresistible. Here's a golden piece of advice. Don't chase, attract. Jennifer never ran after attention. She let it come to her. The difference is, I want you to do this, not just for appearances, but because you genuinely love who you are. When was the last time you were so content in your own space that others couldn't help but be drawn to you? That's the kind of energy that makes someone obsessed. Not a fleeting obsession, but a lasting one that grows from true admiration. If you want to attract someone who matches your energy and ambition, embody those traits first. Walk, talk, and hold yourself as if you already have everything you desire. Trust me, people will notice the shift, not because you need them to, but because they can't help but be intrigued by your energy. And let's not forget, Jennifer's bold, unapologetic aesthetic was eye-catching, but it wasn't enough on its own. Dress in a way that makes you feel powerful. Experiment until you find what feels authentic, and don't dress to impress anyone. but yourself. The confidence that comes from dressing for you is unmatched and sets the tone for your whole day. Lastly, true magnetism isn't just in how you look. It's in having a resilient, healthy mind. Jennifer's confidence had a bite to it because she lacked true inner peace. Avoid that pitfall by nurturing your mental well-being with practices like meditation, journaling, or affirmations. Start your day by saying, "I am the most powerful person in my world." It may sound simple, but it sets the tone for a day where your confidence doesn't waver. That's what makes your allure both powerful and lasting. So remember, the confidence and happiness you're searching for is already inside you. Fall in love with yourself first and watch how everyone else becomes drawn to your light. Be your own muse, channel your inner icon, and show the world what makes you unforgettable. Now tell me, what's one thing you're going to start doing today to embody that version of you that makes him obsessed?